Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have the basics, account and repo. Now make a deliberate first change, add or modify a small file you will touch repeatedly. Commit with a clear message and push immediately. This creates an initial green square. Once done, establish a predictable file to update each day so you don't have to invent content. You're doing this to generate consistent contributions that GitHub counts as activity. Make sure your local Git config uses the same email tied to your Git. You will automate the repeatable actions so you never miss a day. Create a GitHub Actions workflow that runs once per day and modifies a tracked file. Append a timestamp or bump a counter. Commit and push from the workflow using a bot account or your verified email. Include a purposeful commit message so GitHub attributes the activity correctly. Once the action runs, check the run logs and the repo to confirm the commit landed. Make sure the workflow triggers in your expected time zone. Finish by confirming the daily commits produce green squares on your contribution calendar. If a commit does not count, inspect the commit author email and confirm it is associated with your GitHub account. Correct it and repush if needed. Also, Verify Actions has permission to push to the target branch, and that branch protection rules do not block the workflow. If problems persist, run the workflow manually, read the logs for authentication or permission errors, fix settings, and rerun until the activity shows up.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.